Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Clickbank review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in, taking me to a total of $322 into profit with this account. And you'll see here, so I'm live in my account, Barry Cross, and this commission came in on the 3rd of August for $21.24. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you the product itself, and you can join it for free and you can earn a passive income. It's got a 7-figure earner training built into it. So you can use this product to and the system inside it to make money online. So I'm live in my dashboard here. So this is the commission that just came in here, but I want to go into reporting. This is in. It's free to set up a Clickbank account. Go into transactions. All you do is go into Google and type in clickbank.com, and you can set up a free account. I just want to show you the how you can earn passive income with Clickbank for free. This product is one I came across. I'm going to go back to this when I very first started here. A product I came across, it's a free autoresponder. Because a lot of my students, they were looking for, they couldn't afford a paid autoresponder. We pressed go, selected a date range, and I came across this doing research, and I started promoting it myself. You'll see here, so the total here is $322.21. But the key here is this column here, transaction type, and it says rebill. So this is how you earn passive income every single month with free offers. And there's quite a lot of these offers within the Clickbank marketplace. And the previous video that I did, I went into the members area of Clickbank and showed you. But majority of these you'll see are passive income. It's a free product, which I'll show you now. It's called Free Sponder. And you'll see the owner is Stephen Hall. He's a 7-figure earner. And Stephen says here, at last, something that really works, and it's 100% free. And he's built into the system. He gives you a training. I'll just show you go through the few steps shortly. But it's a passive income system that he's in the members area. So you just set up a free account, and inside the members area, you go through these 4 steps. This is what he's giving you as a free member. So he's giving you the first free tool are professional lead magnets. So he's giving you you'd have to create anything yourself. You'd have to create lead capture pages. You'd have to create email copy. It's completely done for you system. It's really great. It's in several niches. So it's not just these are all the lead magnets that he's created for you. So it's not just in the make money online niche. Ready-made squeeze pages, also download pages. And you see the quality here. This is what you'll be promoting. Right, so these are what you'll promote. You're giving away free reports, very professionally done. The prospect. I'm going to give you some free traffic sources at the end of this video as well. So if you're on a tight budget, you can use free traffic. And all you do is then he hosts everything for you, so you don't have to pay for any hosting to host all these host the lead capture pages, and gives you all the free emails. So he's got a free autoresponder. He calls it a unlimited list management system, but in effect it's an autoresponder. And he says here, of course, I provide all this 100% free. And he said that he was using all these other autoresponders, and he wanted to do his own. So we're not here to knock other ones, but if you can get something for free and make money with it, then He calls it the autoresponder money machine. And all you do is you click the link in the description. There's bonus emails. You click the link in the description. He's got frequently asked questions. Why is it free or premium? So all you do, you come down here. If I can find it at the bottom of this page, and he's got 2 membership options. So you watch a short video and decide which membership options for you. He's very transparent with everything because there is an upgrade option, but you don't need that to be successful. And you can just, if I can get the cursor right, you can have a free membership. Your membership is free. And then if you want to upgrade, then there's more benefits. So if you upgrade, there's more benefits there that he will tell you all about within that video. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media, and that will also help support my channel as well. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And I've just remembered that I promised you some free traffic. So let me just go into here and show you on my blog, best free traffic sources. So I'm going to pin my blog post to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And you can promote FreeSponder and earn affiliate commissions like I'm showing you here today. You can get passive income from it just by promoting it as an affiliate. So these are my best free traffic sources that I use every day to generate leads and commissions. So I'll pin this blog post to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And if you enjoyed today's video, please click subscribe, and then you'll get notified, and the bell icon, then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing 7 new videos every week, and about 50 uploads every single month, 50 new uploads. If you've got any questions about either Clickbank or FreeSponder, then please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description, and the link to join this offer here will also be in the description if you want to just set up a free account and go inside the members area and just have a good look round and decide if this is a system. But it's just worth getting the training from Stephen. He's a 7-figure earner, so you're going to get lots of free training and learn a lot about how to make money online with the training you get inside this system. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.